Hello guys, welcome to this MeritPros Q A videos. So this is Srinivas from MeritPros. So today I'm going to explain you about how to take a screenshot by using Selenium WebDriver. So before going to know how to take, first why we need to take a screenshot. So as we know, like when we performing some manual testing, so for each step or some important steps, we need to take screenshot and we need to attach to our result report. Why? Because screenshots are the proof for our test case status, whether it was pass or it was fail. If it is fail, what is the reason for the failure condition? So those all things will provide by screenshot. And also sometimes we have a requirement like when we want to perform our automation scripts on a server, so there will be like an headless browser where there is no GUI, graphical user interface. So at this point of view, for our evidence, we need our report like a failed reports, why it got failed. So those information will be provided by screenshot. So we need screenshot for our test results. Now, how to take a screenshot by using Selenium WebDriver? So we don't have a direct method from our WebDriver class, but in our Selenium jar itself, we had an interface called takes screenshot. So we need to downcast our takes screenshot WebDriver interface with WebDriver as shown in below here. Yeah. So once we done, we had a method called get screenshot as, so that we can call that particular method by providing output type as what kind of file, so that it will return our screenshot file where it got created. Then we need to create an object, because once we call our get screenshot as, it will create that particular screenshot file in a temporary file. So we need to copy that file and we need to provide in a respective file path whichever we needed. So that we need to create an object for a file by providing our destination file path. So once we create that object by using file utils, you can copy that screenshot file where it was placed in a temporary folder. So from there to your required destination file. So this is a way we will try to create. So let's check this in a practical way by using Eclipse IDE. Okay, here is the code for that. So let me quickly explain what I have done. So I'm using some predefined code. So here I'm setting up our executable driver file to my system. Then I'm creating an object for Chrome driver, which means I'm going to automate Chrome driver browser. Then I'm maximizing my browser. Then I'm passing some URL here, Google URL. Then I'm calling a method by passing one string type path. So this is my destination path. So by calling this method, you can see then execution will move on to line number 36. Then here I'm creating an take a screenshot interface object by downcasting my WebDriver. So from this object, I'm going to call a method called get screenshot as, which will return a file tab I'm storing here in this object. Then I'm creating a file path for, file object for my destination file. Then by using file utils class, I'm going to call a method called copy file where we need to pass our source file object and destination file object, so that it will copy and it will paste. So finally, by executing this, I can get a screenshot and I can place in our path like, see, using system.getProperty user directory means by default it will target to our project folder path, project directory. Then automatically if screenshot folder, if it is created, no issues in that, automatically it will generate a file with ss.png. It is in png format, or else if folder didn't created, so it will create automatically. As you see, the folder already it is created and nothing is there. So anyhow, I'm going to delete this folder and I will try to execute, then I will show you what will happen. So I will try to execute the code now. Yeah, browser got latch and Google URL got sent. So that's all, that's execution done. Then I'm going to see here, yeah, So a new folder with screenshots has been created at 12:28. So just now I'm going to open this. So yeah, I have found one PNG formatted file with the name as SS. Then I can see the screenshot. Yeah. So this is the way you can create a screenshot by using Selenium WebDriver. Yeah, that's all guys from my end. Thanks for watching this video. Hope the cover topic will help you out in understanding like how to take a screenshot by using Selenium WebDriver. Yeah, subscribe to our channel in order to get more informative videos like this, and also like and comment to our video so that it really motivate me to do such more informative videos. And also if you have any questions, I can reply in comment section. So hope you guys see you in next videos.